Hey everyone, today I'm going to unbox this Fuka Aria 906 speakers. This is the box came in with really sturdy cardboard box with. There's no tapes, it's secure with the metal pins in here. So actually it's a bit hard to take it out. Oh, by the way, it's made in France. Let's get the box open. All right. This is regular styrofoams, and so here the grill. The grill is very nice. It's carved on the side, as you can see here. It's carved and it's magnetic grill with the honeycomb plastic grill. I used to have a Fuka, what is this called? The tower speakers. I forgot the name of it. I used to have Fuka's tower speaker a long time ago. Fuka Aria 900 series owner's manual. And then, alright. Okay. It's leather look. I'm not sure if it's real leather. Let me open it here. Voila. It's beautiful. Let me take this one out as well. There you go. So here's a famous inverted metal dome tweeter. I'm gonna put it here for now. This beautiful speaker. There's a piano black finish on the top, and it says made in France on the top as well. And then let me take out this thing. I kind of really like this piano glass top and the leather wrap front buffle, and in the back as well. And then the side looks to be like a vinyl wrap. So I finally got this the pins out. It really hard to get it out. So I'm gonna put it on here. I'm just gonna change it right away. The initial impression was really good. The beautiful speakers, gorgeous looking.